Alright, Crypto Kingen is in the house, and today I'm super excited because I got this letter today and I'm pretty sure it's my Crypto.com 3% cashback Jade metal card. Ooh, yeah. So I'm going to do a short unboxing for you guys. This card, as I said, is 3% cashback. I also get free Neflix and free Spotify. If you follow my link to crypto.com, you can get a card like this yourself. I staked a worth of 3,500 euros to get 3% cashback card. You can get a 2% cashback card for 350 euros, and then you get free Spotify, but no free Netflix. If you want the card for free, you don't need to stake anything, and you get 1% cashback in crypto, and that's pretty good. And you don't receive anything Spotify or stuff like that. But you also, if you stake at crypto.com for this card, you also get 10% on the cryptos you staked. So yeah, that's a lot of passive income and a super nice card, I hope. So check out my link to crypto.com and get yourself one of these cards. So coming out, yeah, pretty ordinary letter sent from Birmingham, actually. All right, let's see what we got here. Yay, it's the crypto.com card. So nice little box. Let's see what we find inside of this. If I can open it, and here we go. All right. There's a little card with some congratulations to my new fantastic card. And then just this nice little package. Also, I need to say, I had to wait for 2 or 3 months before this card got shipped. But in the meantime, I got a digital card on the Crypto.com app, so I was still able to use the card online and stuff like that. But now I can finally use it in stores and stuff, and that will be awesome. I'm going to make all my purchases with this card from now on and get 3% cashback on every buy. That would be a hell of a lot of a cashback. So let's see. Oh, you got to look at this, guys. Super nice, right? Let's see. Let's get it out of here. So, oh, cool. It's like metal. I'm not going to show you the backside, but yeah, look at this. Pretty cool, right? Super nice. All right, this is the Crypto.com Jade card, 3% cashback, free Netflix, free Spotify. Get it, guys. Super cool. Crypto Kingen out.